Welcome to the Space Nexus. Have you heard of neutron stars? These fascinating objects are the compressed cores of massive stars after a supernova. Neutron stars are super dense, with the mass of a sun squeezed into a football ground-sized object, even the smallest of which weighs billions of tons. Did you know that a matchbox-sized neutron star can have a mass of up to 3 billion tons? Neutron stars emit bright radio pulses that can be observed by the Hubble Space Telescope, and they have incredibly strong fields that can cause planets to collide and collapse if they enter our solar system. Despite their name, neutron stars contain not only neutrons but also electrons and protons that turn into neutrons. They emit high-energy beams from their poles, which, if touched, would suck in anything and feed it into their mass. If a neutron star gets enough mass, it can even turn into a black hole. The gravity of neutron stars is more than 2 billion times stronger than the gravity on Earth, making particles stick to their core and bending incoming radiation towards them. Neutron stars can live for almost 1 million years and eventually cool down by emitting radiation. Did you know that the collision of two neutron stars can lead to a black hole or an even heavier and brighter neutron star? These collisions cause pulses of radiation to spread out in space, moving at massive speeds and thousands of rotations per second. Pulsars and magnetars are the two main types of neutron stars, based on their rotation and magnetic field. Pulsars are types of neutron stars that rotate at high speeds, giving off pulses of radiation, including gamma bursts, X-rays, and UV rays. Magnetars, on the other hand, are neutron stars with a magnetic field 1,000 times stronger than ordinary neutron stars. The brightest pulsar is the Vela pulsar, and magnetars are extremely powerful. Just one magnetar could pull our entire solar system towards it, wiping out credit cards and causing destruction to our galaxy. Other types of neutron stars include radio pulsars, recycled pulsars, millisecond pulsars, soft gamma ray repeaters, X-ray pulsars, accretion-powered pulsars, and mass-based X-ray binaries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. I release new videos twice a day. Check out our other videos by clicking here.